Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NOHO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, this was a very rough-looking chart after Tuesday, and actually I would consider today a very healthy day, a very good day. Now, that may seem a little backwards because it's not like the price exploded upwards or anything like that, but let's just keep in mind the context of things, and the context of things going into today was a whole lot of downward selling pressure. So it made perfect sense. It made more than, rational sense to be saying, you know what, I think this thing might be getting ready to just continue to just crash and crash and crash. But that didn't happen here. The price at least started to go sideways. Now, don't get me wrong, and I wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because the price started to go sideways after going basically straight down does not mean that for sure guaranteed this is the bottom and that for sure guaranteed the price is going to, bounce back upwards. But my point here is it's at least it's at least a rational thought to be having at this point. So yeah, good to see that the price at least started to stabilize for now. And we'll see if that can, lead to any sort of bigger movement to the upside. If there is going to be any sort of bigger movement, and it's all about that initial red line right there at 0022, that'll be that first key main level of resistance. So like I said, if the price does start to now all of a sudden work its way back upwards, that's where that first big question mark resides. Not necessarily in the sense of can the price get back up to that level, but more importantly, can the price break above it and then start to stay above it? And if it can, well, then at that point in time, it starts to make a whole lot of sense to begin to talk about, all right, looking like there might be some true bullishness, looking like the bulls might be trying to regain some momentum here. And then the other area to watch closely, all about that green line down there for the simple reason of if the price all of a sudden comes on there and crashes down through there, well, then everything I basically talked about, hey, the price is starting to go sideways, maybe this is some sort of bottom, well, that would no longer make any sense because all of a sudden the price has gone down below those areas. So for that very simple, kind of common sense, 0012 going to be that very important level of support to watch moving forward. So let's see how this one continues to play out moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.